Hello everyone, it's Herb from Aussie Bogan Tech. How's we all going? Yeah, this is the Ice River Miner that I won in Red Panda's live stream. Shout out to Red Panda, thank you so much. And thank you to Ice River. Now, I just got to give it a bit of a cut to get it open. Let's see how we're going here. Still have my big knife, my Aussie Bogan Tech unboxing knife, but it's in storage at a mate's place. I'll get it out of storage eventually. Now, let's just see what's in here. To be honest, I can't remember what I won. It was one of those small Ice River passively cooled units. Hoping it comes with a power supply as well. Ooh, I think we're upside down. How about I just put you down over here for a second? You guys can watch. And I'll just flip this over. Oh, this is going to make some interesting and very crappy footage. Sorry about that, everyone. But it is what it is. Don't have a tripod anymore, and I'm missing my camera. Just using a $50 Android phone. Yep, exactly what I thought. Thank you, everyone. Ice River and everyone. And Red Panda. Oh, we've got to at least know what it is. Hey? Let's get this out. We've got the power supply and a cord. We even have the correct cord for Australia. So that's pretty impressive. Now we just got to get this beast out of there. Oh, she's in there tight. Come on, you can get out. You can get out. Here we go. Oh yeah. To be honest, I'm still not exactly sure which one it is. It's a model 101 OS. So it's a 10, no, that's a 6. So it's a 1010-6. Model 1010-6. Ice River. Waiting warranties removed. I am not 100% sure which one this is. I'll have to do a bit of research. But it's a model 1010-6. Okay. You guys in the, I assume in the comment section, you'll know what it is. Hopefully by the time you see this, I'll know what it is too. But if you want to, put down in the comment section what actual model is this one. And what hash rate I should expect from it. I'll do a follow-up video, obviously. Here we go. Thank you, Red Panda. Thank you, Ice River. Thank you, everyone involved. Was a little bit of a mission getting this thing out of here. Apparently, they didn't want to send it out to my PO box because they were like, "Oh, PO boxes are dodgy," and I'm like, "Okay, whatever." And they were like, "Well, you're sending it to a post office, and you haven't even put down the street name." And I'm like, "That's because it's a small country town. It's like, a small country town post office. There's only one post office in the entire town. So you send it to that post office, it's not going anywhere else. The address on that place doesn't usually have the street name because, it's a small country town. There's only one fucking post office. Alright, but it's here now, and I just want to say thank you to everyone involved. Hope you all have a nice day. I'll talk to you later." Hey guys, back again. Just adding a little bit extra. There's a sticker on the side of the unit that I completely missed, half blind. Yeah, it's a KL0, so that would be 400 gigahash at 100 watts. yeah, I can't believe I missed that on the side. It was a bit small, but I should have been able to see that. Yeah, you guys have a good day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that like button, okay?